elif conditional statement in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson you will learn how to use the elif statement with the conditional if statement in Python programming language. Let's start with a simple definition for the elif statement. The elif statement is an acronym for the else if statement, and it allows us to check for multiple expressions. Basically, if the test expression or the condition for the conditional if statement is false, it checks the condition for the next elif statement block, and so on. And if all the conditions for the if statement and the elif statements are false, in this case the body of the else statement is executed. And you know what? It is only one block that is executed. This is depending on the test expressions or the conditions for the if or the elif statements. Let's apply that in a practical example. In this case, we created a variable called number and its value is 0. And because the test expression for the if statement is false, the program jumps to the elif statement block. And you know the elif statement test expression is true, number is equal to 0. That's why the elif block is executed simply. Then the program ends immediately after that, and the else statement block hasn't been implemented or executed. Since the program is executed from top to bottom, the first true test expression or the condition that the interpreter read, its body or block is executed or implemented, and then the program ends immediately after that. And you can put as many as you want from the elif statement. This is to allow you to check for multiple expressions easily. But there is a very important point here, which is the conditional if statement block can have only one else statement block. But as we said, it can have multiple elif blocks. And this is very logical. If you try to change the value of the number variable here from 0 to 1, the if statement block in this case will be executed. And if you try to change the value of the number variable to a negative number, the else statement block in this case will be executed. That's it, very simply. Try to use the if, elif and else statement blocks by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.